Welcome to Lindsay Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram. My name is Mike Wong. I'm the service director here. This is our climate controlled service lane where all the experience starts. We do good things here.
Welcome to Lindsay, where you can enjoy our comfortable amenities like free Wi-Fi, gourmet coffee, and our premium snacks.
Hi, good afternoon. Welcome to Lindsay. My name is Barry. If you ever need anything, feel free to reach out to me. My number is 571-210-4679. And remember, you'll love it at Lindsay.
Thanks for calling Lindsay. It's Gary speaking. How can I help you?
Welcome to our state-of-the-art facility with certified technicians that are trained to handle the comprehensive repairs and your everyday maintenances. We are a Business Link dealership that can handle all the commercial needs as well.
We offer top services for all our customers with our variety and knowledge of techs.
We offer very special cases like this where very difficult repair, but for us it is very important, especially destination from where difficult repairs can come straight from Chrysler.
Thank you for servicing with us at Lindsay Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram. It is our goal that you love it at Lindsay. It's not just our motto for our company, for our employees, but also for our customers. The mission for Lindsay Automotive Group is to provide our customers with consistent quality motor vehicles, related products and services at competitive prices that add value to create a superior ownership experience. And we want to make sure that you get that experience. You know, we're a believer of continuing our relationship through our service department, seeing our customers come back over and over again for maintenance and their comprehensive service repairs. Again, we are a Business Link dealer, which is set up for commercial repairs as well. Again, we appreciate you working with us.